Hello students, today we are going to see 7 pieces of services marketing mix. Before going to see 7 pieces of services marketing, now we are going to see definition of services marketing. So services marketing is a specialized branch of marketing that promotes and sells intangible offering such as skill, experience or expertise rather than physical goods. Services marketing focuses heavily on building trust and delivering excellent customer experience and managing relationship. So this is a definition of services marketing. In addition, we are going to see characteristics of services marketing. So the services marketing having a 4 characteristics. First one, intangibility. Intangibility means we are unable to see, just we can feel. And inseparability, we can separate the services from the particular product. And third one, heterogeneity, it should not be a same number of product, it should be a depends upon the customer requirement, it should be a heterogeneity. And fourth, the characteristic is the perishability. So perishability means we are unable to store for a long time or long period, it is a perishable nature. So these are the characteristics of services marketing. Now we are next move to the 7 pieces of services marketing mix. Before going to see 7 pieces of services marketing mix, we have to know what are the 4 pieces of marketing mix. Under the marketing mix, 4 pieces are product, price, place and promotion. So these are the 4 pieces of marketing mix. Now we are going to see 7 pieces of marketing mix. In addition 4 pieces, we are going to include the 3 pieces. And 3 pieces are people, process and physical evidence. So these 3 added to the marketing mix. So that is called as a 7 pieces of services marketing. Once again I repeated: product, price, place, promotion, people, process, physical environment. So these are the 7 pieces of services marketing mix. Now we are going to see one by one. So product, and product we cannot to be touched and not to be stored and not standardized. So marketing them demands a fundamentally different mindset. So next we are going to see price. Before going to see price, we have under the product we have some examples. An airline does not just sell a seat, it sells comfort, punctuality, safety and the promotion of arrival, all wrapped into a one service offering. So product defining the product clearly saves every other pin in the other P in the framework. That is, the product include all other P's also. So next we are going to see price. So service pricing must account for before fixing the price as under the service marketing, pricing must account for labor, expertise, time and overhead, and everything we have to keep in mind, and we have to value the cost and we have to fix the price. The price we are fixing based on the cost based pricing, value based pricing and a seasonal adjustment and dynamic pricing and psychological pricing. These are the some types we have in our scenario. Based on our product service, we are going to fix our price for the service of the product. For example, in real world example, an hotel use dynamic pricing. Rates shift based on the season, local event and accompanying levels. Yeah, these are the dynamic pricing examples. Based on these things, we are fixing the price for the hotel rooms. So next we are going to see place. Third service marketing mix is place. So place means delivering the service where it we are going to deliver. So place define where and how the service reaches the customer, and physical location, digital channel, or where when we are going to use our internet or physical way, or both we are going to use, that we are going to clarify and giving a meaning to the particular service marketing of the mix. First one, physical accessibility. Both that is location or online customer can easily access the our service. And second one, digital reach. It should be a 24/7 it available. Or in the omni-channel design, or we are going to use online offline touch point build among the trust among the customers, and how we are going to reach them. So these are the under the place marketing mix. Next we are going to see promotion. Fourth marketing mix of the service is promotion. So making the intangible to tangible. So because the service cannot be seen before purchase, the promotion must build credibility and reduce perceived risk through the storytelling and the social proof. We are creating a image, we are creating a advertisement, we are creating a that is called free trial. Through this we are making our service to be a live one. So this is the fourth promotion mix. Fourth category, promotion under the service marketing mix. Next we are going to see people. Fifth one of service marketing mix. That here what we are dealing under the people in service, staffs are the service. Every employee or management customer, we are going to be a interaction shapes perception of quality and builds and loyalty. For employee we are giving a training and empowerment, and we have to give a responsive empathy or convert one-time customer into the brand advocates, and we are creating a happy employee and happy customer culture is making a asset to our service. So next we are going to see process. Under the process we are having some trick under the process, designing the service journey. So how we are going to frame a service journey? First we are getting a customer request, and we are giving a standardized workflow and quality check and consistent delivery. So these are the process we are having our mind and work on it, and we are well designed process ensure consistency, efficiency, and a positive customer experience at every touch point. This is the process service marketing mix. Through that we can create a loyal customer to our service. Next one, physical evidence. This is the last service marketing mix. It is the why we are having a physical environment or evidence. Services are intangible. Customer rely on environment cues on judge quality before and during the experience. So here physical evidence include interior design, cleanliness, and staff uniform and their behavior. And in for online they are seeing the website design and digital interface, and they are also seeing the browser, invoice, packaging, design, everything they are seeing. So under the example, a clinic clean and in home interior with a clear and professional material and quality care before a single consulting begins. So under the one fruit. So this is the very much important for to success the service. So finally, 7 P's are not 7 pieces are not isolated tactics, they are an integrated system. So weakness in any one element undermine the entire service experience. Every P reinforces the others across all 7 P's build trust. So customer expectation evolve, they revised and refine and each P regularly. So these are about the some points regarding the 7 pieces of services marketing. Thank you.